Hello, dear future homeowner! Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Story time muna tayo for today's video. So I want to share with you one way that you can add another source of income aside from your salary or income from your business to secure your financial future and create wealth. We bought our Mawing Estate home mainly for investment. We pay 50,000 pesos for the monthly amortization, and then every time meron kaming extra, binabayad namin yun kay BDO till maging 43,000 pesos na lang siya. Tapos nung nagka-tenant kami, she pays 40,000 per month. So imagine, 3,000 na lang ang dinadagdag namin. So ang tenant namin ang nagbabayad ng monthly amortization namin with PDO. This is what we call a rental income or passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is a type of regular income earned without working or an employer or job. Another way to think about passive income versus active income is as rent versus wages. So if I were you, if you have savings that you can spend paying for the down payment, better invest in real estate and buy a pre-selling home para mas mura at mas magaan ang payment terms. Then once tapos na ang bahay, rent it out para ang tenant na ang magbabayad ng monthly amortization mo sa bank. And then once fully paid na ang bahay, talagang may passive income ka na for life, di ba? So if interested, message us. Have a nice day and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.